Now we have more news coming in. European Union leaders have agreed to provide an interest-free loan of 90 billion euros to Ukraine for 2026-2027 to meet its military and economic needs. The funding will come from capital markets secured against the EU budget rather than using frozen Russian assets. Kyiv will repay the EU loan only once it receives war preparations from Moscow, while Russian assets remain mobilized. The deal does not affect Hungary, Slovakia and the Czech Republic, which opted out of contributing, and leaders said that the move ensures Ukraine secures funding for the next 2 years while maintaining EU unity. Brian, take us through the details that are coming in.
Well, European leaders union okay $90 billion for Ukraine. European Union leaders have approved a 90 billion interest-free loan to support Ukraine through 2026 to 2027, that is aimed at covering both military and budgetary needs as Kyiv faces severe financial strain after nearly 4 years of war. The deal was also reached after intense negotiation in Brussels and even will be funded through joint borrowing backed by European Union budget. Rather than immediate use of frozen Russian central bank assets, even German Chancellor Friedrich Merz also welcomed the agreement, saying that the financing sends a clear signal to Russian President Vladimir Putin that Europe remains united in supporting Ukraine and will keep Russian assets frozen until Moscow pays war reparations. Yes.
All right, Brian, stay